No sudu, no sarnai, no problem. Is brand of Nityananda. Only if you are peaceful, which cannot be shaken even by the demons and devils and rakshasas, we can be in eternal peace. Titting mouthil blood vending, getting earsil no blood vending. Peace-based powerfulness is a fundamental requirement for Paramashivatva to manifest. That is why people who don't want us to manifest Paramashivatva or power manifestation do not want to allow the peace in our life or do not want peace in our campus. Understand? But only if you are peaceful, which cannot be shaken even by the demons and devils and rakshasas, we can be in eternal peace. People should know, what is this? So much is going on. Our devotees should be in a space. No sudu, no sarnai, no bothered, any titting, any abusing, no sudu, no sarnai, no bothering, no disturbance, absolute peace, love, joy, bliss. Titting mouthil blood vending, getting earsil no blood vending. Titting mouthil blood vending, getting ears, peacefully existing. Understand? No sudu, no sarnai, no problem. Is brand of Nityananda. Neither violent nor agitated or powerlessness. Absolute peace. Peace established in powerfulness. Powerfulness established in peace. That's a space of Sri Kailasa. Understand? I want to tell you. Any titting, any abusing, any negativity, any false, any rumor, no sudu, no sornai, no agitation, no disturbance, no agitation, no powerlessness, no violence, titting fellow while blood vending, getting person ears, silent, peaceful irnding. Nothing can be compared to unclutching. Spend more and more time, energy in unclutching. It will never be wasted. Time spent on unclutching is the most productive time for you in your life, because unclutching completely makes you altogether a different material. Understand? It makes your very biomemory, muscle memory, core structure, molecular structure, genetic structure, DNA structure, everything. All the 8 energy flow circuits, 7 energy flows, 1 the pure conscious explosion. So totally 8 energy flow circuits exist in you. All the 8 explodes when you unclutch. Understand? Especially women are standing so strong for Swamiji. What is being taught? Simple, unclutching. It will be literally a place like a Disney World. How the Disney World claims most happiest place on the planet Earth. Most blissful, powerful, spiritual place on the planet Earth will be Sri Kailasa. Soon you will all be able to experience physically, by the grace of Paramashiva and Parashakti, you will all be able to experience physically on Bhuloka, Sri Kailasa. To tell this to all of you and inspire all of you. Give you the glimpse of this experience so that the virtuous circle will start in you. See, once I give you one experience, then you start moving towards the Paramashiva. Then he gives more experience. Then you start moving towards him more. This is what I call virtuous circle. Pushing this virtuous circle to start is what is the job of Guru.